Oh, Yes, you're a lot of work, but it's worth it. Now for some biscotti. Ah, some biscotti. What? Biscotti Bandits. Only one thing for this. A biscotti run. You knew it was coming. And there's the bike for it. Italian. The biscotti bike.
Right. Biscotti. Biscotti, Bianca, right? Biscotti. We need it. Haha, biscotti, here we come. Come on. I've got coffee getting cold. Oh, we've got to wait for a golfer. Really? It's not even walking. Unbelievable. No golf car's got priority to road traffic on a crosswalk. Driving Miss Daisy here. Miss Daisy sitting in the back with a very large straw-brimmed hat. At last. Nearly there. Oh, it's busy. It's 11:47 on a Tuesday. I can smell the coffee. But can I smell the biscotti? There it is, coyotes. Let's see what we've got.
Hello. Is that biscotti? I think I'll take 2. Thank you.
Anything else for you?
That's it. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Take care.
Oh, we got it, biscotti.
Mission nearly accomplished. Biscotti, 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 Biscotti. I'm going to do a galloping tune to Biscotti. I can't do it. Biscotti, 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 Biscotti. That's as quick as I can say it. Yes, I can taste it. Biscotti. Aha, so close. Home. Coffee time.
Oh, what have we here? Some biscotti. Oh, all right. Let's indulge. Here we go. My mom goes crazy when I do this. She hates me dipping stuff in coffee. Damn. It's sunk. She must have heard me.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.